Hello mga kapamilya at kapatid! Nakakalungkot na balita para kay Jaja Santiago ngayong araw na to. Hindi na siya makakalaro sa Japan national team at goodbye na talaga sa kanyang Olympic dream. Ito ay dahil sa isang rule ng FIVB na ginawa last year. Matatandaan na shinare niya na meron na siyang Japanese passport na isa sa general conditions para makapaglaro sana sa Japan national team at makapag-change ng federations of origin. Pero mukhang hindi nila nakita yung isang bagong dagdag na conditions noong 2023 na sabi that prohibits players from federation switching pagkatapos nilang maglaro sa original national team. Sabi nga ni Tatsu Sara na presidente ng Asian Volleyball Confederation, ang problema, Jaja already played sa national team sa Philippines 3 or 4 times already. So with the new rule, hindi siya pwedeng maglaro sa Japan. Pero pwede siya maglaro sa Pilipinas dahil hindi passport ang usapan dito, Federation of Origin.
I want to to explain to you the rule, no? Jaja is now a Japanese citizen, I heard, no? Okay, she's married, no? But there was a new rule last year by FIVB that if you played in a national team of another country, you cannot transfer federation anymore. Yeah. So with Jaja now, just to make it clear, because I told Jaja that I supported her sa FIVB because of this new rule. Ang problema, Jaja already played sa national team sa Philippines 3 or 4 times already. So with the new rule last year, she can never play with Japan. So she can still play with Philippines. Pwede pa siya because its federation of origin is Philippines. Well, hindi passport ang binabasihan dito, Federation of Origin. So Jaja is still Filipino by nature to play for the national team. Kung hindi siya nag-national team, pwede ma-transfer. But now the new rule, Jaja played kasi sa national team. Kung hindi siya naglaro si Jaja ng national team, she can change federation. Madali yun. But since she played by the record ng FIVB, she cannot change federation anymore.